How y'all doing? Today's my anniversary. On March 3rd, 1986, I blew the whistle on Robert Sabanjan in the Democratic Party in Waukegan, Illinois. Sheriff Babcox, Robert Sabanjan, and the money y'all was making off the war on drugs. I wanted to end the war on drugs, so I turned in my client list, and I turned in the judges and the lawyers that was getting paid off of the war on drugs. The new faces of old Jim Crow. Long before Michelle Alexander wrote the book, I was doing the work. Dr. K, Mark Steiner, WEEA Radio, y'all got evidence and knowledge of the same thing, because in 2011, I did it again. Instead of guns and drugs, I used a toilet and a camera. I blew the whistle on Scott Shellenberger, Greg Bernstein, Gov.O'Malley, Chief Johnson, Commissioner Belfield, and the money y'all was making off of stop and frisk and zero tolerance. In 2006, y'all made a stop snitching video. Y'all sent a lot of brothers to jail. I made them brothers a promise that I was going to make a documentary about the war on drugs. You can Google search my name, Duane G. Davis. You can Google search N62528. I won my case. I was found innocent of all charges. I have a constitutional right of self-representation. In 2011, Scott Shellenberger knowingly lied to the grand jury, presented false evidence to the grand jury. Scott Shellenberger brung up the 86 case, which makes it legitimate. He brung up fruit from a forbidden tree. He knowingly lied to the grand jury to get an indictment. He used the 86 case to do it. He didn't tell the grand jury that I was found innocent of all charges. He used that case and lied to the grand jury. He misrepresented the truth. So in the 2023 session, Delegate Stephanie Smith, Clippinger, Delegate Smith, Clippinger, our delegates got to represent me. I need to be exonerated. Westmore has this information. The Maryland Black Caucus got this information. I'm looking for exoneration in 2023. We got a black governor. We got a black attorney general. We got a black state's attorney. We got a Maryland Black Caucus. Now we want justice. If I don't get no justice, you don't get no peace. Ain't no law against making a movie. The movie is about the black party in Maryland, how you protect white supremacy. So like I said, Delegate Stephanie Smith, you got evidence and knowledge. Ivan Bates has evidence and knowledge, and he's a lawyer, and he had this since January. So has Mr. Brown. So has Brooke Learman. And Governor Westmore, you got it now. So you got to address that. I'm an activist. I'm not a terrorist. And ain't no law against making a movie. The movie's about the Democratic Party. Do blacks have rights in which white America respects? Senator Antonio Hayes has a book, I Am Dred Scott. And on the front it got Shorty, Champion for Justice. That's evidence. You got Lobby Day on Monday. Senator Antonio Hayes, bring the book, because I am. Jill P. Carter got a book called The Can of Whoop Ass. I'm bringing that book too. I'm also bringing the book Baltimore Rewired. Carl Stokes seen that book. Yeah, Carl Stokes seen it. So we're going to make sure that everybody see it. Lobby Day. In 2011, I couldn't attend the 2010 sessions because y'all had me locked up. I ain't locked up no more. I'm a free black man, and I'm going to show you how to be free. I'm going to show other people how to be free. A class action lawsuit means that it's going to cost the state of Maryland a lot of money. I'm supposed to go to the Supreme Court. If I don't go to the Supreme Court, like I said, it's all about money. $250 million intellectual property theft. Scott Shellenberger stole my property. He took my truck, my computer, and my possessions. That's against the law. So Brooke Learman, I need an audit. Anthony Brown, y'all said that y'all was going to deal with people for kidnapping. I was kidnapped by the state of Maryland. Ivan Bates, the Dream Team, Shorty's your nightmare. Mic check.